Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how works the multi-stage cooking in Samsung microwave ME. So if you wish to defrost your food and cook it without having to reset the oven after each stage, you can defrost and cook a 500 grams fish in 3 stages. The first one is a defrosting, the next one is cook one and cook second. So if you want to turn on the multi-stage cooking, just put in your food inside, then click on the power defrost function and select weight of your food by clicking on the kilograms or grams. So let's set the 500 grams. After that, click on the power button and set the power of your cooking. After that, set the time by clicking one of these icons and press again the power level to set the 3 stage of your cooking. Set your power like before and the time. After that, just click start and now your cooking works in the 3 stage with the defrosting, cooking first stage and cooking second stage. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.